What is CFS immune system dysfunction? Imagine your body's defense system, the immune system, as a well-trained army that protects you from infections and keeps you healthy. In chronic fatigue syndrome, or CFS, this army doesn't quite work the way it should. Instead of functioning smoothly, it shows signs of confusion and imbalance. This immune system dysfunction is a key part of what makes CFS so complex and challenging to understand. In people with CFS, research shows that certain immune cells don't respond normally. For example, natural killer cells, which are like the body's frontline soldiers against viruses and abnormal cells, often have reduced activity. This means they may not be as effective at fighting off infections. Additionally, T cells, which help coordinate immune responses, sometimes show signs of exhaustion, indicating that the immune system is overworked and struggling to keep up. Scientists have also observed that some immune signaling molecules called cytokines are elevated in CFS patients. Cytokines act like messengers that tell the immune system how to react. When these are in excess, it can lead to an overactive immune response, which might cause or worsen fatigue and other symptoms. For example, increased levels of cytokines like interleukin-6 and interleukin-10 suggest that the immune system is in a state of heightened activity, possibly triggered by infections or stress. Another interesting area of research looks at the possibility of autoimmune features in CFS. Autoimmune conditions happen when the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own tissues. Some patients with CFS have autoantibodies, proteins that target the body's own receptors, such as muscarinic acetylcholine or beta-2 adrenergic receptors. These autoantibodies could interfere with normal blood flow or nerve signaling, contributing to symptoms like fatigue, dizziness, or cognitive issues. However, unlike diseases like rheumatoid arthritis or lupus, clear tissue damage is usually not seen in CFS. Adding to the complexity, immune cells in people with CFS often show altered metabolism. This means they produce and use energy differently, which can impair their function. When immune cells don't have enough energy or can't produce it efficiently, it can lead to immune exhaustion and make it harder for the body to recover from infections or stress. Overall, immune system dysfunction in CFS involves a mix of reduced immune defense, overactive inflammatory responses, possible autoimmune activity, and disrupted energy use within immune cells. These factors don't act alone but interact with other systems, like the neuroendocrine system, which controls stress hormones such as cortisol. This interaction can create a cycle that sustains fatigue and other symptoms. While scientists are still working to fully understand these immune abnormalities, current evidence shows that immune system dysfunction is a significant part of what causes and maintains CFS. It is important to remember that each person experiences the condition differently, and ongoing research continues to shed light on these complex interactions. If you or someone you know is dealing with symptoms of CFS, consulting healthcare professionals who stay updated on the latest findings is the best way to get personalized care and support.